my channel, guys. So today I'll be filming a pineapple and banana smoothie. So the ingredients that you'll need is 1 cup of pineapple dice, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of Malta. I'm using the vanilla flavor, 1 cup of oats, 1 teaspoon of honey, and for that cool and refreshing taste you need 4 cubes of ice. Now stay tuned for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into this pineapple smoothie. Okay, so the first step is the peeling of the pineapple. Pineapple skin is all off. We're going to put it to boil to get the real pineapple flavor. For the head of the pineapple, we're going to place in it some water so you can grow it, so it can be planted outside. And then we have the pineapple all diced up, so I'm going to be putting it in a measuring cup so that we can get on with the blending of the smoothie. Alright, so now that we have all the ingredients in, I added my 1 cup of banana, 1 cup of pineapple, the 1 cup of pineapple juice, a tablespoon of honey, and I added 1 cup of water and the 1 cup of Malta. So now I'm going to be adding in my cube ice, and then we're going to get on with the blending.